All right. So the topic for today is division by 5, 50 and 25. An extremely easy method. When you look at the question itself, you will come to know. Here we are going to actually divide these numbers merely by looking at it. I mean, you will see how easy it's going to be. 5 anyway. I'm not here going to teach you the table of 5 or table of 50 or 25. We can do it even without knowing the table. So I'm going to take one example, the answer of which we would know. Okay. So this is, let us take this as an example. For example, we have 6 multiplied by 5. This answer we all know what it is. Okay. Doesn't matter. What we are going to do? You double 6. Double of 6 is
12.
no, we are doing division. No, sorry, my mistake. So let's take, suppose, let us take 25 divided by 5. Sorry, it's 25 divided by 5. Okay. What we will do in 25? You divide, you double 25. What is the double of 25? This you should know very quickly. Double of 25 is 50. You also double 5. What is that? 10.
10.
Cut the 2 zeros. Answer is 5. Have you got it? See, this answer you know even without doing this method. I know that. Okay. But it will help you to do larger numbers. One more example. Pay attention. 325 divided by 5. Okay. Double 325. Double of 32 or wait. When you double 325, you split the number here, correct? Double of 3, 6. Double of 25, 50. Divided by 10. Cut the 0. Answer is 65. See, division by 5 is actually easy when the number is ending with 5 or it is ending with a 0. The game you have to understand is when the number is like this, 64 divided by 5. Now what you will do? You double 64. Double of 64 is 128. And you will divide it by 10. See, there is no 0 to cut. So you will cut the 0 and give a point. What is the answer? 12.8. Are you getting it?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, let's understand one more question. Let's take 43 divided by 5. What will you do?
We should double 43.
Yes, you will double 43.
Ma'am, it will come 86.
Correct. 86. 86 divided by 10. What is the answer? 8.6. Are you getting it? I mean, this is in the mind. This can be done in the mind. You only have to write this directly. Correct?
Yes.
I hope I'm clear there. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
For example, let's take one more example here. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 5. What you will do, double all the numbers here, directly write the answer here. Answer will be 246.8. Are you getting it? Why 246.8? Because double of this is 2468. Double of this is 10. You cut the 0. There is no 0 to cut. So what you will do? You put a decimal. How many understood this?
I understood, ma'am.
Very good. Neil understood. I can see Ganga understood. Elsewin, Inaya,
Teacher,
Khaled
Yes,
understood.
ma'am, I understood.
in actual division, if we divide it by 5, we will get some other answer, right, teacher?
No, impossible. Impossible. It is impossible to get any other answer. 5. 5 twos are 10. 2. Bring down 3. 5 fours are 20. 3. Bring down 4. 5 6 are 30. 4. Decimal 0. 8 are 40. Same answer.
So, okay, I get it now.
Impossible to get another answer. What you're trying to say? Are we doing a different maths where you will get completely different answer? No, 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 no. Same answer. Otherwise, in the exam, if you use this, you will. Everybody will be scared. Nobody will be using this method only in the exam. Otherwise, you cannot get a different answer. Same answer. You get a same answer. Is everybody clear of what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody who did not understand what I explained right now?
No, ma'am.
Everybody, and this topic is missing in the textbook. But then I still have to teach it to you. The topic is not there in the textbook. So in case if you are not understanding it, there is no way you can go and check it. You have to come back to me. So better you tell me in the beginning itself whether you're understanding it or not. Okay. All right. Let's do some sums then. Somebody needs to mute because I can hear background sound. Somebody, can all of you mute, please, request? All right. Okay. Let's do this. Suppose you have a question. See, for that, your doubling has to be very quick. You should know how to double the numbers. And by now, I think you should have practiced and you should know how to double the numbers fast. Okay. Suppose you have a question. So I am not giving you questions that are divisible by 5. Okay. Let's do one question. 3125 divided by 5. What will you do? Can we just double this out? 31 double, 62. 25 double, 50. Cut it out. Caleb, are you getting it? There is no reason to do this and waste your time. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Right?
I understand. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm giving you some numbers which are ending with 5 in the beginning. And then we will go with numbers which are not ending with 5 in beginning. Okay. All right. Numbers ending with 5 will never get a decimal because they are completely divisible by 5. I hope everybody knows this, correct? All the numbers ending with 5 or 0 will never have a remainder when you divide with 5 because they are completely divisible by 5, correct? Now,
Ma'am, could you explain me once more?
who is that?
Ma'am, I'm Meenakshi, ma'am. It was very low.
Okay, Minakshi, I'm doing the 6 sum for you. Can you double the number 42115? Do you know how to double this number 42115?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, I know.
Yeah. Can you double and let me know what is your answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I get a glass of water?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Meenakshi, did you? Yes. Meenakshi, did you double 42115?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to finish now.
Salami, are you getting it? Very good. Fahad, are you getting what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Who is that?
Charvi.
Charvi, I asked Meenakshi also. Can you pick up any number? Which sum you want to do from this? Tell me.
I'm the fourth one. Ma'am,
Okay,
I actually
fourth.
got disconnected 5 minutes ago.
No problem. You double both the sides. Can you double both the sides? I'm doing this sum for Charvi. Okay. So can we double 72015? How will you double it? I think in the previous lesson we have learned how to double, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can we double this number? That will be 1 4
4.
4 0 3 0. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
We will also double 5. What is the double of 5?
10.
10. And you cut the 0. What is your answer? This one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Meenakshi, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing. Can I say?
Yes, please.
And the double of 42115 is 84230.
8 8 4 2 3 0. And you will double even 5.
Ma'am, 510.
And you cut the 0. So 8 4 2 3 is the final answer.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
It's a one line division. There is no need to do the whole big thing. The point here is you save time in this. Yes, who's that?
Ma'am, Fahad.
Yes, Fahad.
Ma'am, how we do the big numbers like 320035?
Double it, darling. Double it. Can you double both the? What is the double of 320035?
3 is 6. 2
Okay.
is 4.
Okay.
0, 0, 6, then 10.
No, not 610. Double of 35. Upper level, lower level. UL number and LL number. Remember? See 35. So 3 double 6 and 5 double 10. Carry over, no?
70.
Yeah, 70. That's right. So that will be 70.
And means the answer is 70?
No, no, no. Now you double 5. 10. Correct?
Yes.
And you cut the 2 zeros. What is your answer? This is your answer.
Yeah, okay.
64007. That is your answer. I'm going to write the answers on the board as and how you are finishing it. You can try it out and check whether your answers are right or wrong. So I'll do it with the procedure. So if anybody wants to check the procedure, can do that. So that's going to be 48. Sorry. That's going to be 4. That's going to be 92. And that's going to be 50. And then that's divided by 10. And you cut it out. Your answer will be 4925. Correct? The answer for this will be 4925.
Ma'am, I did it like number by number.
How you can do it number? Whenever there is a carryover, you have to take a carryover, no? You don't remember upper level and lower level. I already told you, right? In the
Yes, ma'am.
then you have to do the carryover. 16 double 32. 2 double 4. 25 double 50. Divided by 5 double 10. You cut the 0 and you will get the answer. Answer will be 3245. The blue box is the final answer. The pink box is the calculation. 7 double 14, 2 double 4, 0 double 0, 15 double 30 divided by 10. Cut out, cut out. What is the answer? 14403. It's a one line answer. You don't have to write the full division there. 8 double 16, 3 double 6, 0 double 0, 0 double. Okay. See, 0 is upper level and 5 is lower level. So you have to combine this two. So that is going to give you 5 double 10. Correct? And divided by 10. If you cut it out, you will get what is the answer? 16601. Okay. 4 double 8, 2 double 4, 1 double. Oh boy.
Ma'am, the answer for 6 will be 8423.
1 second, give me 1 minute, kids. Okay. 84. 8, 4, 2, and now 5 is a upper level. So you combine it. So that's going to give you 30 divided by 10. Cut it out, cut it out. What is the answer? 8423.
Ma'am,
Yes.
means my answer is correct. My answer is 8.
Yes, your answer is correct. Yes. Look at this. What is the answer? 6, 4, 0, 0, 7, 0 divided by 10. Cut it out. Your answer here would be 64007.
Ma'am, I did how I double it, then I cut the 0. I didn't make the divide.
Yeah, correct. Yes, you can do that. Very true. That's the perfect way to do it. Actually, that's the shortest way.
Teacher, I got confused, but it's
6
clear
double
now.
12, 16 double 32, 15 double 30. And here, you know what Fahad is saying is, what he's saying is correct. No need of writing the 10. You just cut the 0 out. And that's the answer. So your answer is 12320. Fahad, very good. Because you know there is a 10 on the other side, correct? There is no need to write again and again. 42 double, 84, 0. See this one. Here it is a carryover. You have a 36 and a 10. Correct? So then it will be actually what? 840370. If you cut it out, then you will get the answer, which is equal to 84037. Let's do it. 6 double 12, 1 2 3, that is 2 2 2, and 5 double 10. If you cut this out, then immediately you get the answer. There is no need to write the 10 also. 1 2 2, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And definitely, Elswin, we get the same answer even if you do with the school method. We do not get a different answer. It's absolutely the same answer. Are we all clear about it? You can pick up any sum of this and then try to do it with the school method. You have to say the table of 5 every time. It will take few minutes more than few seconds, at least more than what you would take. The answer is accurate. There is no mistake in the answer. I hope everybody understood this method. Is there anybody who did not understand this method? Got it, yeah? All right, great then. Before I end this, I just want to know, before we go to the next part, is there anybody who has a doubt? Is there anybody who has not understood
No,
this
ma'am.
method? Everybody understood this method, correct? All right. Now let's go to this part 2 of this, where we are going to place a decimal. Decimal is also equally easy. Let's try and see how to do that. So this is how to handle the decimal numbers which are not ending with 5 or 0. So first question, I already showed you what to do. Let's try some easy sums. So first example, suppose you have 23 divided by 5. So I hope all of you know what to do. 2 double 4, 366. We know there is a 10 and there is no 0. So you will just put a point here, 4.6. Is everybody aware of understood what to do here? It's an absolutely quick answer. You don't have to even think twice about it. Definitely the answer is going to be correct. Okay. 432 divided by 5. Or let me just take first 2-digit numbers. Okay, let's take 34 divided by 5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, should I continue with the sums I already ma'am, the things I already wrote? Can I start from number 11, or we should start from number 1, 2, 3, 4, like that?
No, that's okay. I'm starting it because I just got used to writing because this topic is completely different. That is why. Where are the sums gone?
Okay, ma'am.
Did I clear them or what? No, here. Here it is. I wrote the numbers. If you want to continue with 11, that's okay. But since it's a decimal one, no, that is why I am writing it right from the beginning, because this includes decimals, right? When you divide by 5, you get a decimal outcome. There is a decimal outcome, no? That is why. Okay. But in case if you do not want to number it as a new topic, that's absolutely okay. As far as you understand, that's fine. All right, let's do it. Okay, 74 divided by 5. I'm going to give you all 2-digit first. Once you understand the concept perfectly, then we will go to 3, 4, 5. Then it is very easy after that. Thank you, Fahad. Hmm. 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 Yes.
Ma'am, the number 2, get it. I just
You
wrote like 6.
no, you're breaking. Yeah, 6.8. Correct. That will be 6.8. You're breaking actually.
8, the answer.
Yeah. Yes. I will ask everybody the answers. Fahad, you continue, darling. Please write down the answers. Okay. Beta.
Teacher, what's the answer of the 77 divided by 5?
Double
Okay.
77, 154, correct? 15.4.
Yes.
Salome, why you're counting it on your fingers? Why are you counting on your fingers?
Only the double of 9 because it's 9.
All right, you do not count things on the fingers like that. Okay, did we do addition by subtraction or no?
Yes.
Then use that.
Okay.
If you don't consciously use the method, then you will remember it or no, you'll forget it, right?
Yes.
Then there are people who have a driving license and can't drive. What is the use of the driving license? It is like that, correct? So
Do I even have a driving license?
no, there are many people who take a driving license and then they don't drive because they are scared. So then why do you take a driving license? So if you're using Vedic maths, better use it, no? Otherwise, what is the
Okay.
use of learning it? Get it?
Okay.
All right.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Sorry, I didn't hear
Yes.
you. Who's that? You're breaking. Can you please send what you want to say in the chat because you're breaking? I can't
Ma'am,
hear
can
you.
you hear? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Caleb, what's so funny?
No, I'm not laughing. Just
Oh, what was that?
Annoying. What did I do?
Is he all day like this?
oh,
Yes.
very
I agree with you. He must be.
Ha. Yes, because you're weird.
Okay. Inaya, are you getting what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Sharvi, are you understanding now? If your network is weak and you can't hear me, remove your background. That background that you has, it takes more data. Remove your background.
Ma'am, what means remove the background?
They keep this, no, the seashore and everything at the end, behind them. So it looks like they're sitting on a seashore and studying. Like that, only half the mood of studying goes away.
Ma'am, maybe it's my net may be weak.
I also got
So I'm just going to show the answer one more time and I want all of you to check. So these are the answers. All of you, have you all ticked mark the answers there?
Ma'am, I ticked all the answers. I got them correct.
1 second. Now, can I have all of you raise your hand? How many got the answers correct? Wonderful. Can we all clap for ourselves? That's very nice. Quite a speed, right? Because otherwise, if you would have used the school method to do this, you would have taken a little more time. But yes, this is pretty fast. Okay. So I hope there is no doubt henceforth. Yes. Great. So can we go to the next?
ma'am,
Yes.
Can I note down the explanation? Can you show an example so I can not get confused in the future?
Who is that?
Charvi, ma'am. I just want
Yeah.
to note it down. I forgot to note it down.
Neil is dabbing because he got everything correct. Yes, you Neil. Okay. All right. Yes, I'll show it to you. 1 second.